Simple Café E, illustrated tutorials for your electronics. Wait, let's try this without a voiceover. All right, let's see. Alright, almost done. Give the video a like if you'd like to see more of my videos done in this way. Alright, let's wrap it up. And voila, we're all set. You may just need to select external speakers in your TV audio settings. Find links to these products in the description and check out my channel for more help or just subscribe. P.S. Channel also available in Español.